Hi everyone. So what we're going to do today is to prepare you for your test, right? Some things for your test. So mainly we will be covering visual text and open-ended comprehension. All right. I hope you have done it. But if let's say you've not done it, we can do together. Are you okay? Because 88 tuition is a bit different from other tuition. Because this is not my tuition, right? This is 88 tuition. So the concept is that they ask you to do first, then you meet with me, all right, or any teachers here, then any teachers, whether it's maths or science, right? Then we will go through the answer step by step with you. Are you okay? So that's the concept. It's different from tuition centers, right? Where they explain to you, then you go and do. So because we are doing online, the concept is you have to do first, and then you can check your answers also, right? You can submit your answers online, and then for some cases, right, the answers are given back to you, correct or not? And then when you come for tuition, it's more for me explaining to you. All right. So let's move on now. If you've not done it, because of any reasons, right? So we will do together as a class. If let's say, right, you want to do, you can either download and print the original question paper. You don't do, you just download and then you do on by hand, or you can download it and put it in your computer and then use iPad and do also okay, or you can do on the spot and submit to them. Then their site, right, I think they will auto check for you, then the answers will come out, and then you meet me only to go through the answers. Are you okay? And to learn some things for that particular lesson. So all the worksheets are done by 88 Tuition. It's not mine. Okay. So we begin. If let's say we do have a bit of time left, what we can do is I will do some revision for synthesis with you. All right. Yeah, and then after that we can wrap up. Okay. Now let's move on. That synthesis is not coming from 88 Vision. That one is coming from me, so I can just go through some things with you. All right. Okay, let's go on to visual text now. Hold on. I read to you the conventions which I need to read to everybody. And I think if you are in other classes, right, you will also, sorry, you will also, sorry, if I start sneezing, all that, or coughing, so you just excuse me. Okay, so we go through the visual text, open-ended comprehension. All right. So let's go through the house rules. House rules, again, it doesn't come from me. It comes from 88 Tuition. All tuition teachers need to read to the students. Okay. Our job is here to explain to you and to teach you some of the things that 88 Tuition wants us to teach you. All right. Okay, let's move. It is compulsory to turn on your video, mute your microphone, right? Please use the chat function if you would like to do any of the following: ask a question, answer a question, share feedback. Okay. If there is anything urgent, please raise your hand and wait for teacher's permission to unmute yourself before speaking. If you need to be excused, toilet break, please inform the teacher and return ASAP. Be mindful to be respectful to all students and teachers in class. Okay, so for now, right, I will just go down here. Hello, everybody. I see you. Okay, great. I see all of you. You are on. Yeah, everybody is. So you can switch on you please switch on your video. Is it all right? Okay, let's move on. Now we are learning visual text today. Now visual text may look a bit small on screen, right? So what I did was I copied this and put it in Word document so it's bigger for you. So what I will do is I will do like that. Okay, sorry about that. It looks small here, but it's okay. But the questions you can still see. All right. So what I did was I do it like that. Okay, it's quite big. So I think from here, right, because it's for online purposes, I hope you can see this. All right, everybody. Okay, I go through now. Variety, sorry. Yeah, correct. Variety Baking Workshop for Adults by Chef Alan Teo. So I just read through for you. Whether you are a busy executive or a homemaker, you will pick up the basics of convenient baking and learn to make a variety of easy to prepare items. Workshop menu, chilled avocado cheesecake. Okay, so I don't know if you've tried that before, okay, but this is chilled avocado cheesecake and blackberry honey crumble cheesecake with sweet short crust base. Okay, ingredient fees is $10. Chin Long is here, just nice. So what I can do is I can just take his number lah. Chin Long, yeah, can. Okay, can. So Hai Chin Long, I'm going through the visual text with you all. All right. So I'm going to go on. So the ingredient, you must pay the ingredient fees is $10 extra. All right, Ken. So this one is given to the trainer. Most probably the trainer is the one who go and buy all the ingredients, right? And then you have to pay. Chilled avocado cheesecake looks like that. Okay. And blackberry honey crumble cheesecake with sweet short crust base looks like that. Yeah, taste looks savory. 12 March 2017, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Sunday. Okay, $50 passion cup, $60 non-member. Ingredients fee is $10 payable to trainer. So if you join, right, please remember $50 is just your registration, right? You joining them, but the ingredients fee, right, is another $10 additional. Can understand? So if you see this in anywhere that you go, right, it will be additional cost, guys. It's not inclusive unless it's inclusive, unless they put it down there as inclusive. This one is not. Okay, separate. So just remember. Okay, let's go through the about the trainer. Who is this trainer? The trainer is Alan Teo, has published books on baking on. Okay, the reason why I make it bigger is because I know some students right here in 88 tuition, you use handphone. Yeah, some use iPad, a bit small if I don't open it up for you like that. So that's the only reason why. Okay, Ken has published books on baking, and his first book, Alan Bakes Really Good Cakes. Clinched means get. All right, has attained an award, all right, of the Best Desserts Cookbook Award for Singapore under the Gourmand World Cookbook Awards 2011. He was also the mentor to the winner and runner-up of second season of Junior MasterChef Australia series when the contestants visited Singapore for a cooking demonstration in 2012. Alan was also voted as one of the one of the, I think down here, right, they probably have made a typo, one of the 2009 Heavenly King for Cheesecake by Singapore mobile users organized by Lian He Chap Wang Pao. Okay. Omi and Red Nano. He has been teaching since January 2012. So basically, this is his accolades. What's the meaning of accolades? Meaning his achievements, right? And to show, because before people want to train with you, right? Especially if you're a pro. This one is a pro. It's not a teacher, it's a professional. So they need to write down all the professional breakdown, all right? Wow, their achievements. Then people will want to go for the lesson. Okay, so where's the location? It is at Nee Soon ECC. Okay, number 1, Yishun Avenue, Singapore 768893. Telephone number over here, fax number over here. There's a difference. 1pa.gov.sg, not pay, but PA is there's a meaning for PA lah, okay, .gov.sg. All right, so it's rather straightforward, right? Very straightforward lah. So let's go through the question. There are 8 questions, everybody. I think you have tried this, you will know what I'm talking about. I'll just go through like that because you know why? If I don't write, it's very difficult to go in and out. All right, so I just keep it like this. So this is Yen. Yen, where is your name, Yen? Joanne, is it? Yan. Let me see. So can you text me your name? Then I can type in. I can just take your name over here. Okay, Yan. You need to tell me your name, your own name, not your mom's name or dad's name. Okay. Thanks. You just type. It's okay. Just chat with me. All right. Okay. I go on. The question now. What is the main purpose of the poster? What's the main purpose? Is it to remind people to visit Nee Soon East CC? Is it to persuade people to eat less cake? Is it to provide recipes on how to bake cakes? Or is it to promote a baking workshop for adults? Can you just text me your answers? Chat, please. Thank you very much. D. Oh, some of you say D, some of you say C, you know. D or C. Okay, so your answer is D or C, guys. Okay, yeah, D or C, D or C. Okay, D, C, D, C. I see got a C, D, 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 C, C, C. Okay, so how? Some of you say D, some of you say C. Provide recipes on how to bake cakes. Is this the main purpose? So what's the meaning of main purpose? What's the real reason why you have this poster for what? So what's the real reason? So let's go back here, okay? The real reason for having this poster is baking workshop. This is number 1. All right. Wait, okay. Yeah, it's a baking workshop, guys, for adults, right? So this will be your answer. Are you all right? Yeah, like that. Okay. So answer will be D. Why? Because it's very clear that from the passage here, okay, from this this whole passage, right, is baking workshop for adults. So this one will be your answer. Are you okay? If let's say you printed it out, then what you can do is you can always annotate. All right. If you didn't print it out, you just take note where to find the answer. Because providing recipe can is one of the purposes is also to provide recipes, but it's not a main thing. The main is the main reason, the major reason why. One big reason why they have this poster is because to promote a baking workshop. All right. Okay, so this is the question again. So next question, who will be teaching this baking workshop? Come tell me. Chef Alan Teo, Nisun ECC, Chef Gordon Ramsay, Chef Jamie Oliver. Come on. Text me, please. What's your answer? Sorry. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, everybody's saying A. Okay, okay, can. Okay, okay, okay. Aggressively writing all A answer. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Can, you are right. It is Alan Teo. Okay, this is your answer. This is a giveaway. Hey, do you know that visual text there's a giveaway mark? Okay, not say giveaway, but the mark you can get. You can definitely get one mark. Okay, Ken. So some questions are very straightforward. So that one is okay. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, guys. Good job, guys. Number 2, you are fine. Number 3, let's check it out. Again, too small. When will the baking workshop be held? When will the baking workshop be held? When will it be held? Do you remember the when? I think you see already, right? So if it's now you remember, so which one is it? Number 1 answer is D. Okay, Ken, that's very fast. Yeah, okay. So quite a number of you texting me D. Okay, fine. I think you heard 1D, everybody D, okay. Which is correct. Yeah, there's nothing wrong there. It is correct, 12. Yeah. So if I go back here, the answer is over here, 3. Is that okay? So when you're doing your VT, please take note. Please do your annotation. Very, very important. Are you okay? PAC. Just remember your PAC first. All right. Your purpose, you must know. Your audience, who is it for, right? And then the context. And then it's just like situational writing, And then you take note of the day, date, right? Day, date, time. All this is important. Costs. All this is important because it's visual text. Yeah. Okay. Just take note. All right. Ken, let's move on now, guys. Doing well. Next one, number 4. Let's go on. Next question. Lucy is a passion card member. This one you need to think and be very, very careful, okay? How much will she need to pay? If you're paying attention to what I said just now, I think you can easily get the answer. She need to pay for the baking workshop in total. The question is in total, guys. So she's a passion card. Wow, so fast. A. Okay, fine. So how do you know? Wow, so fast. Well, you can remember the money. Wow, you're very good. Can remember money very fast. Okay, Ken, very good. So your passion card is $50. You are right, $50. Great. Nice one. Ingredients is $10, so it's $60. Wow, you can remember, Okay, very good. Amazing. Okay, at this age, at 11 years old, you all can remember money so well, so fast some more. No need to show, you all know. Okay, next one, I go into number 4. I hope I'm not going too fast. I'm okay, yeah? Yes, your answer is correct, guys. Good job. So I hope I'm not going too fast. If I'm going too fast, you better slow me down, right? Because it seems that everybody's getting correct. So I don't see the point in waiting unless you really have, you really cannot. It's okay, Say, Madam Ross, wait. Sorry, yeah. Madam Ross, wait for me. Yeah. So I will slow down. Don't worry. All right. Okay. Next, we go on to the next question, right? Okay, variety baking workshop for adults will be held at where? Nee Soon West CC, East Coast Park, Chef Alan Tio's Bakery, Nee Soon East CC. Which one? So we know very well, right? It will not be B and C, right? Where do you think? If you are paying attention and memorizing the visual text, then where can it be? Is it West CC or East CC? What do you think? If you can remember. Answer is D. Not bad, Okay, let's see. ECC or not CC? Yes, ECC. Very good. Okay. So quite a number of you wrote down D. Okay, can. So that's good. Yes. Because this one will be your next answer, number 5. Correct? Okay, can. Quite straightforward there. All right, guys. That's number 5. Yes, correct. Nisun ECC. All right. Okay, let's go on to number 6 now. According to the poster, what is one kind of cake you can learn to make at the baking shop? Okay, one kind of cake. Do you remember? One kind of cake, strawberry shortcake, chill